Einherjar, who has received the call of destiny. This is the hall where the souls of mighty warriors dwell. I shall grant you a chance to test the strength of a warrior, path you wish to take wisely.
When the brilliant sun loses its radiance, and the echo of the blowhorn cries of the apocalypse. Uppsala was built to
The ether is near the cliff, so we shall meet over there. The ancient dwarves created something special to collect ether. A steel engraved with runes and an altar. Together, they bring forth the power of Ymir. Though many years have passed, ether still forms here, even now. Master said that we could prevent Ragnarok from happening with the power of ether. Looks like there's a swarm of kobolds in front of the steel. Be careful.
Belongs to us! Insolent Guardian!
This way. So, brought ether.
Oh, what's going on? Sigurd! It's an emergency! Jotun's turret!
Oh, it's you, the Jotuns, upon us with the solar eclipse. We must stop the first harbinger of the apocalypse before it's too late. Ragnar's altar and place ether upon it before we are surrounded by more enemies. Now flows within it. We must instill the remaining tower with its energy as well. There should be another steel in the forest. Retrieve ether from there as well.
Ah, there you are. Leader of the enemy is on the Bifrost. The energy of ether has been fully charged. Now, go to the altar and rescue Brunhild, for she is the last key.
Hrungnir, you waste your efforts on a futile ambition.
As long as our lord desires Brisingamen, we will never retreat.
The solar eclipse is empowering our enemies. We need to rescue Brunhild and move Bifrost as soon as possible.
Is that a fireball in the sky?
Do not interfere with the deeds of Lord Hrungnir!
Thank goodness. Hrungnir retreated. We must dispel the solar eclipse. The first harbinger of Ragnarok, before it's too late.
I didn't expect Hrungnir to go after Brisingamen. I'll help Brunhild back. Return to Uppsala without me.
Everyone is here. As you know, the solar eclipse has been dispelled. However, the threat of
Come this way. To see Idun, you must pass through Ymir's cliff. There are kobolds lurking around. It might threaten our friends back in Uppsala. We'd better defeat them now. Herbs are growing over there. We'll need them on our journey. Let's take them with us. This way! This boy needs some water from the fall too.
I was asked by Lady Idun to collect water from Ymir's fall. Did you know that the water has been muddied ever since Ymir was turned to stone? To get clean water from the waterfall again, we need help from the Deeser of water. To call upon a Deeser, we need an offering. The key to the chest that holds the offering was stolen by bandits. The key. Now, try heading up the hill. That's the one. That chest contains my offering. Please, open it. This necklace belonged to my youngest sister, who died in an attack by the Jotuns. I come from Midgard, you see. They say you need something that's precious to you in order to summon a Deeser. If you approach the steel with your offering, the Deeser will appear.
Huh? Hey, you're not that... Feeling dry? I'll make you feel nice and moist. Feeling dry? I'll make you feel...
A certain soul you need to find? Can you deliver water from the fall for me? There's something I need to find out. The place the Disa mentioned is probably that rocky island over there. It's a bit far from the cliff, but for an Einherjar,
These look like materials for crafting a weapon. With this much, surely